plan is extremely simple today. What we're going to be looking for is, first of all, it looks like we have a doji here. So this may be a pivotal level. This 52.38. I'm going to draw that here. Okay. We're getting some resistance around that area. Let's say 52.40. Let's say that. Okay. Now, if this is an area of interest right here for me personally, okay, if we end up approaching this area, this is where I would be taking puts. Okay, we had I believe this is an all-time high up here. You guys can correct me. Yes, this is an all-time high up here. So this could potentially be an all-time high profit taking, or we can continue rallying. What we're gonna want to see though is interaction of the 50, because right now we're on a downtrend. Okay, we're currently on the downtrend. So we would want to see some interaction of the 50, at least on the 5-minute chart. Now this is the 1-minute chart. So, and we just opened the market about 2 minutes ago. So let's just let it play out, guys. I mean, wherever it's going to go there really fast, and it's going to go there really strong. Okay, so if we go to the upside, we're just going to keep grabbing more all-time highs. But guys, if we start trending low, there's so much room to the downside. We could literally go 5,253 points, technically, okay? So that's the idea of what's potentially supposed to happen now. Let's go ahead and create another area of resistance or support. Seems like we're bouncing off that level as well. Now we have a mini range, guys. You guys know we love ranges. You know we love ranges. If you guys love ranges, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you guys love ranges, because to me, ranges are the best ways to trade, because what happens is by the time we break the range, it's only going to go one direction for quite a while. And I know you guys have seen that since you guys have been trading with me. You guys have the understanding now that a breakout is a blessing, okay? A breakout is a blessing, okay? Consolidation brings cash flow. I want you guys to think that consolidation brings cash flow. If you consolidate, that lets you know that you now have the anticipation of whatever is about to occur next in the market. So you actually have a winning formula. Like, here's the thing. A lot of traders, they get into the market and they're defensive from the standpoint of, I don't know what's going on, so I'm just here so I don't get fined, right? I'm just here so I can figure out if I could just make a couple extra bucks here and there, right? Obviously, that's not how we trade, because when we're looking at the market and we see consolidation, we start getting happy. We start licking our chops. Why? Because all we need is for the market to show us what direction it's going to break out of the range. And then based on where we are on the chart, we just decide to partner with the market, right? So we're not guessing when it comes to the markets, right? Currently, we have pretty low volume. I know we have some downside here, but the volume's pretty low. Let's see if we get some continuation. It's not too much volatility, and it's just the beginning couple seconds of the market, so we could be patient here. This is what I don't like, right? Because like if we're coming down and I'm starting to think about puts, the next 1-minute candle comes and then it just shoots straight up like that. Literally, as I'm talking about it. This is why it's so important to be patient in the market. I'm only going to help you guys keep your money if you guys continue to stay tuned to us here. This is only going to help you guys be better people and better traders as well. Look at that rally, guys. I mean, now here's the deal. If we're going to continue going downside, we're going to have some sort of rejection on this next 1-minute candle. That's what I'm going to want to see. We're still here in this range, so this can essentially be a pullback. We can essentially get an RBR and then break back down to the downside. This is our mini range today, guys. So now that we've broken and then we've come back inside, this is going to be a pivotal point where we say, are we still trending low, or is this where we reverse? These next couple 1-minute candles are going to tell us everything we need to know about where we're supposed to start trending, at least for the next hour or two, okay? And this is how you need to look at the market on a day-to-day perspective. This is why I'm here for you guys. This is why you guys decide to take a chance and learn how to do this thing. Learn how to become traders, okay? Again, my game plan is very simple. If we touch this, if we so much as kiss this orange 50 EMA, I'm grabbing puts and I'm not thinking twice, okay? I'm grabbing puts and I'm not thinking twice. That's how you make money in the markets. So still low volume for now. Let's see if we can get some sort of pop, some sort of buyer coming in and taking it to the upside a bit. But this is our area of interest here, at least for me. Okay, 52.40. If we stop there and we don't break above, that is what I would call a point of no return. Okay, and if we don't get to that point of no return, that essentially means that we're going to be going the other direction. Okay, if we never break above the point of no return, right? If we don't get upside here, then that essentially means that it's going to continue to flow down. Okay, and why we're going to wait here is because we can see the buyer volume creating higher lows, especially on the 1 minute chart. So what I want to start seeing is I want to start seeing how we interact as far as our highs on these 1 minute candles, and now we have a higher high. Okay, this lets me know we're going to potentially come and grab liquidity here at the 50 EMA. Now I'm more willing to be patient. We're right back into the range. Okay, we're right back into our range, and now we can be patient. Look at the market set up perfectly for us, guys. I'm not a storyteller. Now, again, I told you guys this is where I would start grabbing puts. Okay, for me, I'm comfortable with grabbing one or two here. I'm not gonna go crazy. It's just about grabbing one or two. Why? Because I have the understanding that anytime we test the 50 EMA, we're going down. Okay, so if we do break above that, that just means my stop kicks me out, right? Because new facts bring new opinions, right? So this is where I'm going to go ahead and enter some puts. Again, guys, new facts bring new opinions. If we break above here, that means we're going to start breaking this range and going to the upside. We need to see this next candle though. Nice volume. Nice volume. Now, if we get a rejection here on this next candle, don't be too surprised. I did say it, so let's see if it happens. This candle is very pivotal. We need to see if we get higher highs on this 1 minute chart, and if we don't, we're going the other way. I promise it. This candle has to have higher highs, y'all. Let's see. Yes, it's not getting that. Let's see what happens here. All right, guys, let's see. Let's see what we got. All right, we're getting some downside momentum here. Taking candy from a baby, guys. I promise you. I promise you. Nice profit. All right, now we're hitting the 9 EMA. Do we get continuation, or is this it for this move here? Let's see. Nice. Nice move. Continuation. Let's see. This is still the 1 minute chart, y'all. All right. We just got a candle lower. Let's see what happens here. Now, if we create lower highs, that's a problem. That's going to be a problem for our buyers if we create lower highs. That's it right there, guys. It's not rocket science. If you want to make money, you guys have to be on these calls with me. Okay? If y'all want to make money, let's get on these calls. All right? Let's see if we continue trending lower. Now, if you're like me and you grab puts up here, You could have taken profit already, okay? If you have not taken profits yet, you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on what's going on. As of right now, you are not seeing any red in your portfolio as long as you grab puts exactly where we talked about it, and that's where we grabbed our 50 EMA, okay? That's what we want to keep in mind, okay? Always keep that in mind. Oh, wow. More downside. Man, I should have grabbed more contracts. That's fine. Let's see. Now we have lower lows and we have higher lows. We have lower lows and then lower highs, okay? Let's see if we continue trending. Guys, be stingy with the profits. Please take it as you see it. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what NQ is doing. NQ came down. Still look like it's coming down as well. We're nowhere near the all-time highs on NQ, by the way. NQ's been creating lower lows. NQ's all-time high is up here, right? Versus ES has it all the way a little bit closer. So that's something to keep an eye out for here. All right. Let's see what we get. It's the 1 minute chart. Let's go back. Oh, another smackdown. Another smackdown on NQ. Yeah, if we start trending lower here, guys, it's going to be a little bloody. Let's see what happens. Low. Let's start moving. Oh, ho, 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 ho. YC, you're a good guy. Oh, man. All right, it's time to take profit, guys. I'm good with this here. Okay, I'm really good with this here. I hope you guys are doing well over there. I think I'm taking this. Oh my gosh, I only had 2 contracts, guys. Woo. Woo-wee. All right. Good exit too. Looks like we have some buyers coming in, but we could start heading back down still. So let's see what happens. I'm still exiting here. Take that. Thank you very much. Ooh, see? That's the precision right there. Oh, it still got smacked down. 47, 46, 27, 21. Okay. Exited all my positions. Nicely done. That looks really good. All right, so now we're just waiting on the next setup here. Let's see if we could head back lower again. Now it's looking like we're rejecting the 9. So that's going to be something that we take heed, okay? Excellent stuff.